Walk-in cooler update. Close. I'm 2 steps away from having the spray foam folks come in and do that. What I've gotten accomplished since the last video is all of the blocking. So up in these openings here where the bat insulation used to be, rigid foam blocks went in, and then I did the flexible foam to seal all of the edges, all the gaps, to make this room more temperature stable. And so over the last few days, it stabilized here. It's about 63 with this opening into the farm. Your farm's at 80, so it's holding temperature in here really well, and should be adequate to do the spray foam, even though it's going to be super cold winter time outside. But the 2 things I need to work on: one, the door. So I'm going to have a standard exterior insulated door here. Probably go off of this 2x4, maybe a little bit that way, and it's going to end right around in here. So I'll avoid this. The door is going to open that way into that other room, so that we can easily get in and out of here without having to swing it this way into the room and take up any space. The other thing I need to do is ask the spray foam installers. I did find some mold on the wall, so I had R13 with the paper facing, or paper edge, side, whatever. And I did find some mold there. So I'm going to ask them if I need to do anything with that before the spray foam goes in. But the bat insulation, I removed the paper. There was nothing on the insulation itself. Remove the paper and use that above here, along with the bat insulation from these channels. This used to be the exterior wall. So it's above 2 layers of that. So that's at R26 plus the R5 here. I'm at 31 above. I've got 2 layers of the R5, so that's an R10. Plus the spray foam insulation will get me well above the R25 requirement that CoolBot recommends. Head to the website below, use the link as well to get $50 off. I get nothing from that link. I had them give you guys all the discount. So check that link out. A lot of good reference material. So all the build information and necessary R values and all that stuff, I used reference material from their website. Super helpful. They are going to set you up for success, which is awesome to see the company kind of take that on, so that the device you buy from them, you're more likely to succeed. That's really cool. So that's where things are at right now with the walk-in cooler. This door is the next big project to get it squared away. If you have any questions, let me know.